Holy shit, somebody just lost all their money. CRP R3 was good, yes, and that's why I bought in. I have never purchased CRP before. So I waited for the quality to get to a point where I was comfortable with it. And now I have purchased CRP. Unironically, a better investment than meme stocks? Disagree. Some meme stocks did very well. What do you mean, what happened to that? What kind of question is that? There we go. Ah, it's so firm on my fingers. I love it. It feels so good. I love shoving the Switch in there super hard. Oh, what happened to Song Request? You know what happened to Song Request. What happened to Song Request is I signed up for a paid service where I could play music that doesn't get fucking YMCA'd. I am never bringing back Song Request, unfortunately. Is this board still fucky with the connector? Yes, but we are building it anyways, and the connector is not my fucking problem. Yeah, bro, YMCA, of course. Is CRP the only keycap to do something like Tulip with multiple legends and crazy amounts of colors on a single keycap? Fuck, the Imsto did dye subbing before that. And it's not CRP that's doing it, it's Hammer that's doing it. And Hammer has done previous runs before. CRP is the molds, but Hammer has used different plastic before. He's used BSP, for example. And then there are other dye subbers, but yes. Other people have done it in the past, including Hammer himself, on other sets that were not CRP. I hope that answers a question instead of making way more questions. Oh, God, it's so stiff. No, wait, I have to say it right. Oh, it's so hard. It's so hard. Isn't mounting tab under the spacebar bad? Yes. This is slightly offset, so it's not as terrible. Generally, duck boards tend to feel and sound pretty fucking good. Although all the memes and their PCBs being absolute dog shit, duck is like one of the three current Korean makers that are still producing good keyboards that look good, sound good, and feel good for a reasonable price. I was curious why I don't see that often. Well, it depends. Like, GMK can do like 18 different things inside of a double shot mold, so that limits you to dye sub only. And then in terms of dye subbers, you've got like the normie dye subbers, which are like, you know, the EPBT, Infinikey, Max Key and such. Not Max Key, the other one. The cheap one. But they don't give a fuck. They don't make high-end shit. So Hammer with his CRP project has been relatively high-end, which is pretty cool. Duck and Gion, who's the third, TX. TX still makes good shit from a price perspective. And yeah, Duck has not had a new design in a while, but like his latest round of the Vipers were reasonably priced, which is why Duck is still on the list. He has the opportunity to pull in LZ, where he makes his keyboards look like shit and charge double the price and offer zero quality control. Also like Lin, same thing. But yeah, Duck chose not to, which is cool. Oh God, it hurts. It hurts so good. Get in there. Oh yeah. Let's make sure that's nice and firm. Oh yeah, it is nice and firm. Okay. All right, we're getting there. I'm getting sweaty. Hey Google, set the fan speed to 2. Oh, it's not even pointing at me. That explains it. One moment. Oh, there we go. All right, that's better. It's super hot in my room, especially with all the video lighting and whatnot. Isn't the frog more expensive now because the price of aluminum has gone up? It's Gilbert! Gilbert is back! Nice! Fuck, I want to ban you, but then I have to like reapply mod roll to you. Pretend I banned you for 3 minutes. I can't reply, I'm banned. Frog price is the same for the first run, but the next one is next batch. Okay. That makes sense. Yeah. Oh, it's so stiff. Love it. It's so good. Yes. Hi Simon, how long do I usually break in my switches? I try to put 4 to 5 weeks into them, or have somebody else put 4 to 5 weeks into them. That assumes like using it at work basically, so like typing for 8 hours a day, 5 days a week. You're free to do more, but the bare minimum I suggest is about a month if you type like 5 days a week, 8 hours a day. God, it's so fucking stiff. Love it. Ah. Ah. Yeah, please do not break in switches with anything besides your hands. I'd love to explain why, but I've explained it a bajillion times. The simple answer is exactly repeatable motion versus a human usage. Oh, we finished the row. God, my fucking thumbs. My thumbs. Pepe thumbs. Ah. 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 They're Gateron branded now. Alright, small little break. Use some gloves. That's not gonna change anything. I still have to push down with a bunch of force. Unless you mean like really thick work gloves. Break in each switch with ISO. That's what I do. I'm breaking in this switch right now. It already sounds fantastic. I love how ISO unironically sounds better than like most fucking keyboards. It's hilarious. Oh, get in there. Gonna do some double thumb action. Oh. When is ANSI coming? Yes. Are there acoustic cuts on ISO plate? No, there are not. There are other cuts, though, for other things. Ah, God, it hurts. This hurts my thumbs so bad. It's only getting worse. Ah! All right, we only got 4 more for this row. Ah! 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 Fuck! Alright, let's make sure they're all inserted. Oh yeah, they're inserted. Oh baby, they're in there. Simon, can you program your ISO to turn on and off its LED? Yes, you can. So you can map your one switch to turn on and off the LED, which there is an LED, if you look very carefully. See that? LED. So yes, you can also make your one key turn on and off the N key rollover on the ISO. It's the innovation. Simon, buy a pick and place machine? I am a pick and place machine. Oh, we forgot one. Ah. All right. Are you in? Oh yeah, it is in. Neighbor, Simon is getting lucky again? Yeah. Ah, ow, it hurts.